Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to find a hidden application on your iPhone. So here I already have my iPhone open and we are now in the home page here, and I want to look for a Facebook application. Let's take a look on our home page here. There is no Facebook application, but I'm pretty sure that I already have or I already installed my Facebook application on my phone. So the things we're gonna do is just like slide this home screen down until we are generated into the city suggestions page, and then we will be like directly generated into the search button here. Now you just need to type what application that you want to looking for. For me, I want to look for a Facebook, and then we can see it clearly on the top hit here. Our phone is already suggested into the Facebook application, and then you can like directly click the Facebook. And then there is also another way, so you just need to slide the screen into the right side, fully into the right side until you are generated into the application library here. And then if you're done, you just need to scroll down and find out where exactly the Facebook is hidden. And if you didn't find any, you just need to go into the search button and then click or type Facebook, and the Facebook application will be appear right in the first line here. So that's all how you find the hidden application on your phone. If you find out this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.